Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that promises to elevate your audio experience. The 4-unit pack of 3-foot WBC-PRO-Quad ultra-silent, ultra-flexible balanced star-quad cables from WORLD's Best CABLES. These aren't just any XLR cables. They're designed with professional-grade performance and durability in mind, and they truly live up to their brand name. First off, the fact that these come in a pack of 4 3-foot units is incredibly practical. For anyone with a studio rack, a complex pedal board, or even just needing short, reliable runs between gear, these are an absolute godsend. Their compact length makes for a much tidier and more efficient setup, reducing clutter and potential trip hazards in a live environment. The core of what makes these cables stand out is their star-quad design. This isn't just marketing jargon, it's a significant technical advantage. The star-quad configuration, with its 4 conductors twisted around a central filler, offers superior noise rejection compared to standard balanced cables. This means you get an ultra-silent performance, minimizing electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI, that can plague audio signals. For recording engineers, live sound technicians, or even home studio enthusiasts, this translates directly into a cleaner, more pristine sound, free from unwanted hums and buzzes. Beyond their silence, these cables are also ultra-flexible. Anyone who's worked with stiff, uncooperative cables knows the frustration. These WBC-PRO-Quad cables bend and route with ease, making setup and teardown a breeze. This flexibility also contributes to their durability, as they're less prone to internal damage from repeated bending and coiling. The black tweed jacket not only gives them a sleek, professional look, but also adds an extra layer of protection and a premium feel. And let's talk about the connectors. WORLD's Best CABLES has wisely chosen genuine Nutric male and female XLR plugs. Nutric is the industry standard for a reason. Their connectors are renowned for their robust construction, reliable locking mechanisms, and excellent signal integrity. You can feel the quality when you plug them in. They provide a secure, positive connection that won't accidentally disconnect during a critical performance or recording session. This attention to detail, from the cable's internal structure to its external connectors, truly underscores their professional-grade designation. In essence, if you're looking for short, high-performance XLR cables that deliver exceptional audio clarity, superior noise rejection, and rock-solid reliability, these WBC-PRO-Quad cables are an outstanding choice. They embody the quality and performance that WORLD's Best CABLES is known for, making them a valuable investment for any audio professional or serious enthusiast. Their combination of star-quad technology, Nutric connectors, and practical length makes them a standout product in a crowded market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.